So off camera, I sanded to 150, did sanding sealer. Now I'm coming back 220, 320, 500. I should have turned the fan off first. So I flipped it over and I was trying to flatten up the top to be able to drill out the middle. I of course forgot to turn on the camera and didn't have it rolling when my mortise broke and the thing flew off the lathe on me. So I'm going to try and flatten the bottom back out and cut a new mortise. And of course I couldn't quite get the faceplate mounted exactly in the middle again. Wow, I am way off center. Gotta be that hard maple or something. Yep. Frickin' end grain. And this is totally my fault. I threw everything into the bucket without any consideration for grain orientation. So now I'm hitting end grain, side grain in every direction, and all of my end grains, especially on the walnut and the hard maple, are tearing out. I don't know if I can save this. I don't get why these pieces all cut beautifully before and they won't now. I didn't have any of this tear out before. I think I have to walk away from it today. So I'm still struggling trying to reach through the outside of the bowl. Obviously I haven't even touched this half yet. And I was having all sorts of problems the other day, which is why I up and quit. I think I was trying to hurry. I was getting too aggressive, maybe. I was too frustrated. And now I'm going to try and finish truing up the outside today. And that is my only goal for the day. Because I'm just mad at this thing. And I'm not going to rush myself. I don't care if it takes me 3 weeks to do this. I may have to put it in the naughty bin every time it upsets me, give it a few days and come back to it. I don't know. I'm just going to go slow and steady. I'm just trying to sneak up on being round again. I don't want to lose any more of the bowl than I have to. So I'm just trying to get to where I'm touching the whole way around, and then I can smooth it again. I just want to get it round, and then I'll fill the voids again. That's all I need is round. I'm not going to stress over the tear out. I'm going to just fill it. I think that's largely because of the foamy. I honestly don't know if I can get repaired past it. Oh, this is rough. So I think that foam layer is being significantly more problematic than I had thought it would be. I thought I scraped enough of it out, but I must not have been able to obviously get like in here where I was between two pieces of wood. It must have been sandwiched in where I couldn't see it. I was trying to cut past it and just, you know, get a nice little curve here. I was going to be fine with that, but it doesn't matter how deep I go. I just keep encountering more of it, and I'm having tearing out really badly. I'm frustrated with it